Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoho Projects to enable MFA for collaboration, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Zoho Projects website. Log in to your Zoho Projects account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the top navigation menu. Click on the Settings option in the menu. In the Settings menu, find and select Users and Control. Now, look for the Two-Factor Authentication option. Click on the Enable button next to Two-Factor Authentication. A pop-up window will appear to guide you through the setup. Choose your preferred method of receiving the authentication code. You can select either SMS or an authenticator app. If you choose SMS, enter your mobile number and click Send Code. If you choose an authenticator app, follow the instructions to scan the QR code. Once you receive the code via SMS or authenticator app, enter it in the provided field. Click Verify to complete the authentication setup. Upon successful verification, the two-factor authentication will be enabled. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that MFA is activated. Now, return to the Users and Controls section. Review the list of users to ensure collaboration permissions are correct. To edit a user, click on the user's name in the list. Adjust any necessary collaboration settings as needed. Make sure all changes are saved before exiting. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Zoho Projects to enable MFA for collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.